Yes, family, what's going on? Back again, two in a row, let's go, back to back weeks. We've got an exciting one today. We've got a collection that I'm gonna go get, another one, I know. I have a feeling I might regret this one, but let's go collect it and see what the crack is. Ooh! Let's go.
She picked on you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Back to the hotel we go. Get up, we are back. Let's show you what I got. Right, we've got a phone, we've got a cable, and then we've got the bag. What's in the bag? Uh-oh. New phone. Uh-oh. We've got an iPhone, we've got a Pixel. Uh-oh. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm doing this. But yeah, let's get it out. So I'm guessing that's got to come off. That's one. That's two. Try to keep this box in a relatively good nick. Got the ratings here. Looking at that. 1,000 charges apparently. That's like 3 years. You see that? 1,000 charges. IP68. It's fairly repairable. Very good if you drop it. Right. It's my first Android I've owned in about 15 years. Oh god. Oh god. I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. Put that up there for now. Oh. I got my cable out, you get a cable. And that's all you get. Is that all you get? Surely not, that's not right. Sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky. SIM card tool. And so many pages, look how thick that is. Well, I'm not gonna need that, I've got eSIM, but that is good to know. It's quite a nice little ejector as well, can you see that? Snazzy, very nice. We'll put you back there. Oh, it's for the camera bump. Oh, there's that as well. Wow. Right, okay. I'm not gonna need that just yet. Yeah, it's a nice part ready. Oh, this paper isn't gonna be as nice. That's cold. Aluminium, man. Really? What's the size difference then? Oh, it's bigger? Yes, it's bigger. Taller. Taller and narrower, I think. You know what? Let's take the case off. For the first time in forever. That is so much nicer. If they did this in black, it'd be better and with a better battery, but wow. Wow. How do you what was, where's the volume button? Oh, there. Oh, I don't like that. What about power? I don't know, guys. Oh, it's vibrating. I do like that though. Nice and simple on the back. None of this shenanigans, you know? Oh, that was nice. I like that. I can't zoom. Oh well. It is what it is. I do really like that. Wait, I need to test something first. Oh, screen is on. Look at this. Alright, MagSafe. Apparently, I've not done too much research on pixels. That's on. I don't need a case. Let's go. Alright, let's set this up, shall we? Copy apps and data, yes. Tethering time. Ooh, it made a noise. I'm sorry if this isn't like the clearest for you guys. We're in. We are in. Now there's one thing apparently that I have to set up. What's this? How do you do it? What's the thing where you go to settings straight away? Haha. Right. What's it? System? No. About phone. Here it is. Developer. Okay. Now we go to developer options. Then we go down. Transition animation scale. Yes. I think that's everything. So, oh yes. Look at that. So if I want a screenshot, so that's volume, yeah. Haha. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to get all my apps done and get back to you guys. See you in a sec. Right, so I've gone back to copy some data over. So we're going to do apps, we'll do contacts, photos. They should all be backed up anyway. That should be backed up. Yeah. About an hour. You've seen this? An hour. An hour? 16 minutes. No way. Choose your apps. Haha. I'll go through these now. Yeah, I'll go through these now and I'll be back. Says we're copying. Calculating time remaining. How long? An hour. An hour and 17 minutes. For messages and downloads. Oh Christ. No, we're doing that again. What the hell? No, we're going for that again. I'm on the actual camera. This thing you do now. This is going to be a ball ache. I know it is. Right guys, so we're in this menu now to copy stuff. We take the apps off. We're going to take device settings, downloads. I'll transfer all these on my own. How many messages are going to take an hour and 16 minutes? Surely not. Turn off iMessage. All done. Let's start that again then. This is a ball ache, man. Ooh. An hour and 10 minutes. I'll get back to you guys in an hour and 10 minutes. The time is 6:53 PM. I'll see you guys at 7:30, 9 tomorrow. I don't know. Why is it taking so long? There's no need. There is literally no need. Look at this. Oh, it's gone at 43 minutes now. Guess that's not so bad. Oh, man. This ain't it, G. This ain't it. Right, troops. It's been an hour. It's been over an hour. Can't remember what time I signed off last. Still going. Still saying 28 minutes left. It's failed twice. Twice. 2 whole times. And people are saying that switching from Android or Apple to Android is better. I don't know about that. I don't know, but I'm slowly getting somewhere. I'm down to, we're all 4,200 photos. We're down to scanning your photo library. That's what we're on. Oh man. 28 minutes, 27 minutes. We're getting there, we're getting somewhere. Holy hairline. It's taking its time, man. It's taking the mick almost. 27 minutes. Scanning your photo library. These phones are going to be dead before I can even go get food. I need to add my card to the new one. The games on there, Clash Royale, Clash of Clans on there. It's not going good, bruv. It's not going good at all. And I can't even go on either phone because they're both in the process of dilly-dallying. Oh my guys. I'm just getting bored now. I have to whip the iPad out and slow down the hotspot even more. Oh, I swear down, if you can't do hotspots on Android, I'm gonna cry. Because I've got the iPad, that's gonna be my primary, that's gonna be my only Apple device now. I need to transfer the Wi-Fi passwords over as well. Hopefully the QR codes work on Android. Oh. How do you even get to the camera on the new... Oh, I've got so much setting up to do, man. Oh, that is Peaky Blinders. Done. We still have 4 minutes to go. You know what? You'd probably see it better than I can. But yeah. So 3, 7, 5, 9 photos. For some reason, that number's not going down. But that is nearly there. Nearly freaking there, man. Oh, it's been so long coming, man. I've been waiting forever. I've been waiting forever. It's what, 8:05 now? 8:05. This is probably the longest it's ever taken me to record a video. Was it 2 hours now? Oh my days. I haven't even got anything set up yet. Because I don't want to go off the screen. In case it resets again. Mm-hmm. 20% battery left in the iPhone. Oh. I need to transfer the eSIM over. I need to put the credit card over. Put my apps over as well. Oh. As soon as this is done, put them both on charge and getting everything sorted, man. ASAP. I still don't know if I can even hotspot with Gemini now. Gemini, here we are. Here we are. Can I use a Google Pixel 10 as a personal hotspot for my iPad? Open settings, we can internet hotspot and tether in, Wi-Fi hotspot, toggle it on. Okay, yeah, that's right then. Sweet, 2 minutes left. Oh, don't lock the phone, why have I done that? Oh. The Pixel was on 50%, it's on 34 now. Copy's finished! Let's go! Alright, I'll get back to you guys when everything is done and I've eaten. Cause I'm hungry. So hungry, man. Alright, let's go. It's a nightmare, man. Oh, family. We're back. 3 days later, it's Thursday now. I'm glad to announce that the old phone Rooney is up and running. We've got a launcher installed. Make it look a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer how I want it. I've got to click on notifications then. We don't want to do that. We've got some AB on the vlogs right here. Got a nice little tidy desk set up. It's a minimal, got the rubbish. Can you see it? Yeah, rubbish bin. Because, you know, hotel and all that. But the phone, it's going good. been going really good the past few days. Getting used to it still though, switching from the old iOS to Android, not easy man. But yeah, we're getting used to it, we're getting there. Battery's lasting well. Yesterday lasted me all day, came home with 70% still. Today we didn't do much work because the truck broke. So my battery drained right down to 20% then. But yeah, we've got the old phone over here. Right here. Got to try to get the photos over still, and then that's everything. Once the photos are done, that's all of it. So yeah. So far, out of 10, I'd give it an 8, only because it's Android. But have I showed you guys the view? Let's look at the view, shall we? Cool, look at all that scenery, man. Wow. That's awesome view. Yeah, here's the room. Neat, nice, beautiful. Bathroom here too. God, screen man, some break. And the bathroom. What's happening? We've got the Will I Need Your Mother Season 2, Joggerinos, Childish, Golf, Hoodie, Let's Go, shower, put a towel down though because it leaks out the curtain. You can pull the curtain in or over, it leaks out, it's not ideal. But yeah man, I'll have to do a cheeky little camera test or something tomorrow. I'll set all the settings as high as they go. Hopefully it's sunny, hopefully get good quality stuff. And try and get it set up by Sunday. I'll post it next week, so I do 2 bi-weekly videos rather than one after another. But yeah, that's how life's going. Got the AB vlog. Oh, whoa. Oh, nearly dropped it then. Got the old AB vlog going on right here. Lovely stuff. Bottle of water, hydration. Work bag there. Kit bag packed up because I'm going to another hotel tomorrow night. It's going to be 2 weekends on the trot away from home. 3 weeks worked. It's not too bad, not complaining. Not spending as much money. Ignoring the fact I've got the phone, but I'm making all that money back selling the iPhone, so it's not too bad. And the watch, I'll get rid of the watch as well after I reset that. Which I'll have to do before the phone. Just so I know it's all reset properly. I'm keeping those bands, so I like the blue and red. I did have black and red, but gone. But yeah guys, I will get some clips tomorrow for on the Pixel, some pictures, the different cameras. Videos on the different cameras, and we'll go from tomorrow night. Alright guys, I'm the Pixel. I forgot to do the videos, so I'm going to do the videos now. This is 1x, this is 0.5, still seems pretty good, fairly decently lit environment. I'm in another hotel again, what a shock, but yeah, this is 1x, oh that's 1.2, that's 2x, same camera, it's just cropped down a little bit I guess, and then ooh 5x, what can I zoom in on? I'm gonna zoom in on the kettle. This is gonna be 10x, wait, that's 10x, 15x, decent, that's 20x, oh, that's 20, not terrible. What's the table look like? move back to improve focus. No. But, yeah, spoon, glass. You know, you can make stuff up pretty easily. Quite impressed. It's the dark side. We're gonna find it. It's a darker environment. No, you're not. It's not too bad. There's no processing going on there. This is how I'm seeing it. It's decent. Decent. But yeah, guys, that is the cameras. We're gonna go back to the recording, and I'll allow you guys to continue watching the video. Now watch as I try to line this up. Let's line it up, baby. Let's line it up. Let's go. When I'm editing, I will do another video, little check-in kind of thing. But yeah, it's going good, man. I'm liking it. Great phone, to be fair. She's have a shave. Good bit of bum fluff starting to come through. You can feel it. And yeah, it'll be in bed in the next 20 minutes. Oh well, you can actually see it. Oh my god, I need to stop flipping the screen more. Can you see the time? Yes. We go to bed at 9 o'clock. I'll finish it. How long's left in the AB vlog? 5 minutes left in that. But yeah. Go shave, finish the vlog. Yeah, mirrors demisted now. Only fully. I'll shave at the bottom of the kit bag as well, put stuff in. But yeah, nah, it's all good, man. We got it. We got this. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow after I get the footage and analyse it with you guys. Get you to
I'm just ready to act, I'm ready to riff.
Yes, family, we are back in another hotel. Just got the shower, excuse mess. Here's the new bathroom. The living space, not quite as spacious as the last one was, but you know, it is what it is. Not too bad. Got another cook chair right here. Sitting this now. Heater number one. Come on. Gonna watch my missus get slammed. But yeah, I know. I've taken the photos of this camera, to be fair. And I'll pop them on the screen. I'll label them. Let me know what you think. But that's what I've got for this video, guys. It's turned into a little bit more of a vlog, really, isn't it? But excuse the road noise. Absolutely boiling in here. But I've also installed a launcher. The test photos right there. But yeah, I've installed a launcher, so yeah, just looks a little bit neater, a little bit tidier. That's what we like to see. And we've also got the lock screen. It's just nice and simple, nice and basic, but yeah, man. Come and see it, man. But yeah, that's all we got for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Sorry it's dragged out a little bit if it has, but see you soon, guys. Peace.